Hey everybody, we are here with Kevin from the Levin Law Group, who is sponsoring our June giveaway, right? Did I get that right?
June.
Okay, June giveaway. Kevin, what are you giving away? What do we got?
We got a ton of little swag bags, so fresh hat, socks, cup.
Socks, I love it.
Some lip balm in there for the summer months. You know how to get weird with it. You guys are interesting guys. And there's also a $50 Uber gift card in there.
Oh, wow. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So make sure you'll find this video. All the rules will be below. You got to make sure to go find all of Kevin's socials. Follow that. Our socials, too. There's going to be some rules, tagging your friends, all that stuff in there. Just the normal.
We're going to get it figured out.
Yeah, the normal thing. Well, actually, we may even be on a website now. We're tired. Yeah. Listen, I know you guys are getting mad because you're like, why does it take so long to pick the winner? It's because 90% of them is scam bots trying to steal your stuff. Kevin gave you lip balm. Don't you want your lip balm? We're trying to give that to Sarah in Cincinnati. We're not trying to give it to all in one.
Yeah,
so follow the rules below. If this video doesn't make any sense, it's because we cut out a portion we weren't allowed to say. So thank you again to Kevin for coming on our show.
Thanks, guys.
And thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Appreciate you guys.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Bye.